Hello everyone, this is Rachandeep Singh from the Millennium School Patiala. So today we are going to start with the new concept, that is natural language processing. And the main concept of natural language processing is that whenever you are writing anything that is given in the natural language, it is going to convert, analyze that text, and it is going to read out that text. So for that, what we are going to do, we are going to start in the Python coding. And first of all, we are going to import time, because we are in later on we are going to use time sleep. And after that, we are going to import a class that is text recognition and store that into a tr variable. And after that, we are going to use text to speech class, and that will be stored into the ts variable. Then we are going to use tr.video function, and in that one we are going to specify on flipped, so that it can read out as true picture as it will not be a mirrored image. Next onwards, we are going to use while loop, in which it is going to analyze the camera, and in that one it is going to find out the handwritten text. And in that one, now we are going to use conditions. So first of all, we are going to specify if condition, which is going to identify if the handwritten text is written as happy. So it will be going to display the content as even I am happy to know that you are happy. Then after that, we are going to use the elif statement, because we need the comparison at each step. So for that, we are going to specify the next condition as sad, and it is going to specify never be sad, as everything in life is full of ups and downs. Same onwards, we are going to create for other emotions as well as excited and angry. And in the end, we are going to specify if it is not going to follow any kind of emotion, then it is going to display the message as try again. And in the end, we are going to specify the timer, that where we are going to use the timer function, we are going to specify the timer. And in that one, it is going to specify that after certain period of time, the system is going to take the picture of the content what you are writing. This is the main scenario, so that it can take out some time for sleep as well as for identifying the next content. So this is our main criteria, and based on that, it is going to identify the text that is written by you. So this was all about the natural language processing, and you can see the output that is coming on the screen. And hope you liked the video. So kindly stay tuned to my channel, and see you again. Thank you so much.